Children, now we are starting with exercise 10a. Now I am doing question number 1 for you with the factorization method. 2x square plus x minus 3 equals to 0. Now you already know 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. That means algebraic sum should be plus x and product should be minus 6. This is how we split the middle term. So we can write plus x as plus 3x minus 2x. So 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0 is the second step. Now take common. X is common, so 2x plus 3 minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Always we should have the same factor within the bracket. Then only it can be taken properly as factors. X minus 1 into 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So either x minus 1 is 0, that is x is equals to 1, or 2x plus 3 is 0, therefore x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. I hope it is clear. Now comes the second question. I have taken question number 8 for you. Now in this question, instead of factorization, I am using the formula method. Now children, please be attentive. Try to understand, because all the three terms are having third form, that is the irrational numbers a, b, c, all are root 3, root 2, 3, root 3. So obviously splitting the middle term becomes little difficult. So, and it is actually not directly factorizable also, because you are getting imaginary roots or complex roots. So what we do is we write down the formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now be careful, you write down the formula correctly, that is numerator should be written completely with the sign of line drawing across upon 2a. Now substitute the correct values with the correct sign. Now b is minus root 2, so it becomes root 2 plus minus b square will be obviously 2 minus 4 into ac root 3 into 3 root 3. So it becomes root 2 plus minus under root 2 minus 36, and of course 2a is 2 into root 3. So this is how correct formula, correct substitution will give you the first 1 mark in any question as such. That is the board rule for correction. So write the formula correctly, do the values correctly, substituting or putting. Now if you are still not sure, you can write here a is equals to root 3, b is equals to minus root 2, c is equals to 3 root 3 if you are not clear about your mental calculations. Otherwise you should always learn how to do manually as far as possible, because the brain of yours is working more faster than computer sometimes, and it is more dependable also. Hence I always say, instead of depending on calculators or any other external accessory, it's better you use your own mental calculations or manual calculations. That is always more dependable. There are less chances of making mistakes over there. Now root 2 plus minus under root 2 minus 36. So under root 2 plus minus under root minus 34 upon 2 root 3. And minus 34. Up till now we said we cannot find out the roots. Now it is in the jurisdiction of complex roots. You can replace minus 1 as I square. So 34 I square within the under root sign. And of course 34 is not the perfect square, so write as it is, and I square square root is I. So finally the answer will be root 2 plus minus I root 34 upon 2 root 3. I hope you understood each and every step. Hence try out the questions like this in the exercise.